And welcome back to another video. So y'all, I have the pleasure of working with Online Makeup Academy. So on their website, they have everything in place for you. If you have any questions, they have the number, like video breakdown, and they have their background, what they're about and what they strive for, and who they work with, the brands they have, and they introduce you to your instructors, and it's so dope. They have multiple mods, man. They have so many, and I love how structured it is. I love how they break everything down for not only one type of skin tone, but multiple types of skin tones. So yeah, y'all have to check this out, man. Check the description box below. I will have all the information below. So I know this is different from what I usually do, and y'all of course know that I'm a cosmetologist, so I love all things beauty, and I'm not a makeup person like that, but I've always wanted to learn more about it. So those days I want to get glammed up, I can, and not be confused and all that good stuff. So I had the opportunity to work with these guys. They gave me a chance to do a few lessons, do some classes online, and it was so convenient. So it's so dope. Like they said it wasn't required for me to really just do all of the classes, but y'all, I went through the mugs, and I even took the assessment to be certified. I took it at the end, so and I passed it. But yeah, like it's so pretty, it's so cool, and like I have makeup, but I have the bare minimum, and I tried over years to get as I could, and like as I was looking at the videos, I finally know what brushes that I'm using. I finally know what they're used for, and they simplified everything. That's what I love about it. They simplified the things. They simplified, like, say for instance, the makeup, like the eyebrows, and like instead of just giving you all these big turns and all that, they simplified it. And that's what I really gravitated to, cause y'all know how I am. I like to give y'all information and make it as simple as possible and not all the extra stuff. So yeah, so I decided to pick like the natural makeup. Y'all know me, I'm simple. I like to keep it as natural as possible, and I wanted to do that. So I did notice like some of the makeup that they use, like the Makeup Forever, Beauty, I think it's Beauty Forever. I had to check it. But yeah, like I've used it. It was one of my first foundations I ever tried. Like the Glow Kit, I got this, they got that. I said, oh, I got that. So, yeah, and they teach you how to do makeup on all types of faces. So if you just want to learn for yourself, it's pretty cool. But if you're interested in actually taking up makeup, they break it down. They do it as if you're in a class. So they teach you the professional way, as if, say you have a gig that you have to, a makeup gig. They show you things that you need to do and things that you need for your gigs and all that. It's pretty dope. Yeah, let's get to it. So one of the first things they said that a good way to match your foundation with your skin tone, to do it on your neck, like your chin versus on your neck area. I said, oh, okay, that makes sense. So yeah, I got some foundation, but it's not really doing justice. I had to custom make from what I noticed, and I love that they do color correction, show you what color correction is. So like if you lacking a pigment or color in your face, that you're trying to get like a warm tone or like a ashier tone, or you just want to look more warm, have more of a glow. They show you what colors, like if your face is lacking this color underneath, this is the color that you need to put on your face to make it pop. Alright y'all, so I'll be honest, I don't have my mirror with me, but my big mirror, so I had to go in the bathroom and really see my tone. So y'all, I have a yellow undertone, but when I put on the foundations, it takes away from that. Usually at the end, I add like a little yellow powder to kind of blend, to bring it back. But y'all, I've noticed that this concealer, this is the e.l.f. It's the best matching for my tone. Using this brush to start it off, I'm just kind of block this on. So they say to use this to disperse it, this brush, and then use the fluffier brushes to blend it in. Cause they say don't use this to put it all the way through, because to use this as your main brush to blend, because it can leave streaks and strokes in your face, and you want it to have a blend to it.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the...
Alright, so now we have the foundation. Let's get into everything else. So this is what I use. I had this for a long time. So it's called Muse. I got it from AOL. So usually, since my eyebrows are naturally shaped, arched, I don't really try to do as much to my eyebrows. So I just kind of brush them up a little bit.
My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
And I'm gonna start baking. We'll go ahead and set it. I'm gonna use this. You could use a beauty blender for this, but I don't have that. So I just keep it simple to use this. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and as I'm gonna work on my eyes. So I have the Crown Pro, and I love working out of this. Sometimes I use this as some of these as a foundation, and I feel like for my skin tone, it brings out a natural, effortless look. So I'm gonna use these two colors, this one and this one. And I might use this one right here. I'm gonna go underneath.
Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said.
Y'all, my cousin gave me a gift card some years ago, and this is what I got. This was when I was crazy about MAC lipsticks. I don't know if they still have this, but yeah, these are the two that I'm gonna use. Oh, I forgot to put my eyeliner.
Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it
I got Sephora brown lip liner pencil.
pass. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it run. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. And you know it's true. Hey, and you know it's true.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights. But I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize.